Hi, I'm Sean with Accent Alarms. Thank you for visiting us today. We're an extremely small business and we really appreciate you stopping by and supporting us and other small businesses. I can assure you we don't have any of these. Wish we did. We don't have any endorsements or fancy sponsorships like this. We also don't have any appearances on the local news. When they do those investigative services, nobody wants to be part of that, and we're not. What we do have is this, and we also have a whole book full of certificates and licenses. We have over 12 years of good standing with the state of Colorado. The other thing we have is honesty, integrity, stability, and 25 years plus. And you'll never get the runaround with us. You're going to either get me or my wife Josie. We can help you with nearly anything, and if we can't, we can find an answer for you. If you're on the front range, you'll get me, my experience, my ethics, and my pride in my work as your salesperson, your installer, and your service technician. Please take a moment, look around our website to learn more about us, the type of business that we represent. And even if you don't buy from us, please spread the word, give us a like, leave us a comment on any of the many social media platforms we're on. Those links are available on the right side of our website and in the description of this video. Thanks again for visiting, and please remember, the bitterness of poor quality is remembered long after the sweetness of low prices faded from memory.